In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage your finances using QuickBooks with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing personal finances, QuickBooks is a powerful tool to streamline your financial operations. So, let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to QuickBooks by navigating to their homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, let's dive into the core features that will help us perform our task today. Locate the New button on the interface, typically found in the top navigation. Clicking on New will bring up a list of options related to transactions. Here, you want to select Transfer. This function allows you to move funds seamlessly between your accounts. Now, you'll want to specify where these funds are coming from. You'll see an option labeled Transfer Funds From. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose the account you intend to move money out of, helping you keep track of your payments accurately. Next, direct your attention to the Transfer Funds To option. This is equally important as it's your chance to specify where those funds are going. By clicking here, you'll select the account where the money should be deposited, ensuring your funds reach the right destination without any hassle. The following step involves specifying the amount of money that you're transferring. Click on Transfer Amount and type in the exact figure. Precision is key here to make sure your accounts are balanced. You might have additional notes or details relevant to your transaction. If so, utilize the Memo field. By clicking on Memo, you can add any annotations or identifiers for the transfer, which could be beneficial for later reference or for your accountant's review. In addition to memos, if you have supporting documents or receipts for this transfer, QuickBooks allows you to upload them directly. Click on Attachments to add files such as PDFs or images of receipts. This feature aids in organizing your financial records all in one place. Finally, consider whether this transfer will be a regular occurrence. If it is, making it easily manageable is possible with QuickBooks by clicking on Make Recurring. Here, you can set up a schedule, defining how often these transfers should happen, which saves you from having to manually input the details every time. And there you have it. Transferring funds in QuickBooks is straightforward once you familiarize yourself with these features. Each click navigates you closer to a more organized and efficiently managed financial system. Remember, taking a few moments to note down pertinent details during these transactions can save a lot of effort in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your finances with ease.